Hey everybody, it's Brandon from SoldWithVideo.com. Today we're going to show you how to create your own QR codes to link to your videos to help with your video marketing. It's actually a very easy process and it's probably easier than most people think, so let's just jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is to get a mobile version of your video. And the easiest way to do this is to upload it to YouTube. Not only is YouTube one of the biggest sites on the internet, which will help with getting you more exposure, but it's playable on almost every smartphone out there. It plays on Android, BlackBerry, iPhone, plays on all of them. So what you want to do is upload your video to YouTube and then take the URL to that video. So we have our video here, and we can either take the URL straight out of the browser, or you can go to the bottom underneath your video and hit the share button, and then you'll see the URL. So we want to copy the URL, and it's going to be a shortened version of your URL, but that is alright. We can still use it. So we'll go ahead and copy it. And then now we need to find a QR code generator. So we're going to go to Google, we're going to type in QR code generator, and you'll have a list of a few of them there. We like to use QRstuff.com because it's one, it's free, and two, it does everything we need it to do. And so we recommend using QRstuff.com, but you can find any QR code generator and it should be just fine. So let's go ahead and click on QRstuff.com. Alright, now that you're on QRstuff.com, you'll see there's the data type, there's content and foreground color, and the output type. With QR codes, you can really use them in a lot of different ways. You can use them to display videos, buy now buttons, contact information, email messages, text messages, phone calls, directions to stores. There's really a lot of different things you can do. We're going to go ahead and use a YouTube video, and so we're going to click on it. We're going to paste our URL right here in the video URL field, and then you want to make sure the create mobile link is clicked and the embed URL code is clicked as well, just because you know people are going to be using them from their phone. So you want to make sure the mobile link is chosen. Now you move over to foreground color. You can choose any color you want, and you can use them to match your ad or your company colors or anything you want, but we like to use black because it's plain, it's simple, and it's what most people are familiar with. Now that your video or your QR code color is chosen, you want to go to the output type. So you're going to go ahead and choose output type, which is the download button. Click it, and boom, you're done. Your QR code is created. So let's take a look at it. Alright, as you can see, the QR code is in the JPEG format, which is perfect because you can use it on any print advertising that you're doing already. You're already paying for that ad space, why not use a QR code to give your user an interactive experience? If you're a realtor, you can put it on the for sale signs and for rent signs. You can put it in your newspaper ads, your magazine ads, any billboards you have, any mail marketing that you may do with postcards, any product packaging to give instructions on how to use your product. It's a great way to reach your targeted audience when they're away from the computer. It's really easy to get your video in front of them while they're on the computer, like on your YouTube channel, your website, your Facebook, or video SEO, or whatever format you're using. But when they're away from the computer, there's no way for you to reach them. So by using QR codes, you can easily put your video in front of them, and it's a great way to really make your video marketing explode. And if you have not read our article, we suggest you read it. You can access it by clicking the link underneath the video, and we'll give you a lot of great ideas and tips and ways you can use your QR code to maximize your video marketing strategy. And now that you have your QR code, I'm going to show you how to use it and how it works. So let's begin. Alright, as you can see, I set up a couple scenarios here where you may be able to display your QR code. As you can see, we have the for sale sign for realtors and real estate agents to give video tours of homes. We have a billboard here with your QR code in it, and this is supposed to be a postcard with the QR code on it as well for mail marketing. My drawings are not that great, so just bear with me. These are just examples. So let's just pretend someone's walking down the street. They can take their phone, scan the QR code off the for sale sign, and the video will play right there on their phone. Same with the billboard, and same with the postcard here. So I printed out a large size QR code just to use as an example. So we'll go ahead and take the phone, and let's just pretend it's this QR code. I'll be walking down the street, I'll see the QR code, and I'll go ahead and scan it with my phone. So the phone is now processing it with the QR code reader. It's opening up the URL. And boom, there we have it. Our video has just pulled up, and give it a second to load. It takes a second or two. There you have it. The video played right there on our phone. So as you can see, it's a very easy process, and the video is pretty quickly loaded onto the phone. And you can use this any way you want. You can put it on your billboards, any print ads in newspapers. I really encourage you to go ahead and read our article on our site, because we give you a lot of good advice and ways to really use these QR codes to reach your targeted audience and give them an interactive experience right there on their phone. We also have a bunch of QR code readers that we recommend, and QR code generators that you can use on our article. So please take a look, click the link below, and if you have any questions, please let us know, and we'd love to hear your feedback. So thanks for watching our video, and hope you have a good day.